Every time you hiccup, your body does something completely unexpected. It all starts when your diaphragm, the muscle that powers every breath you take, suddenly contracts without warning. That sudden contraction draws air into your lungs. Almost instantly, your vocal cords close, creating the familiar hic sound. But here's the strange part. Scientists still don't know exactly why hiccups happen. Some researchers believe hiccups may be an ancient evolutionary reflex. One theory suggests hiccups may have helped babies burp after feeding. Most hiccups disappear within minutes, but if your hiccups last longer than 48 hours, it's important to see a doctor. Your body is full of mysteries, and this is one of them. Curious about the science behind everyday life? Follow and subscribe for more.